Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the Vaillant boiler F22 error code in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to first of all understand why this particular error actually occurs and what it actually means. So the F22 error code on a Vaillant boiler usually indicates low water pressure in the heating system. So when the pressure falls below the recommended level, the boiler automatically shuts down in order to prevent the damage. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all check if this is the issue. So you need to take a look at this particular indicator on your boiler. Now most of the Vaillant boilers should have a pressure reading between 1 and 1.5 bar when the system is cold. So if the pressure is too low, you need to simply locate the filling loop underneath the boiler. So once you are able to find it, you just have to simply slowly open the filling valves and keep an eye on the pressure gauge. So once the pressure reaches around 1.2 to 1.5 bar, you just have to close both the valves securely. After repressurizing the system, you just have to simply press the reset button, which is going to be this particular button over here, and the F22 fault code should clear and your heating and the hot water should return to normal. So you can try these easy fix and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.